Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from Speras. Now I was sent this by them directly. They wanted me to test and review this light. Comes in this box. Now this here is a very first flashlight review of theirs that I've done. So now let's go ahead and take a look here at the specs. This is a single light output of 500 lumens. Now this is a complete kit, comes with a battery. Now if you need more time to read that, go ahead and pause the screen. Otherwise, let's get this open and see what's in. Now shipping hasn't been the best here on the lights that I've received lately from just about everyone. Here's the user manual, just a single pamphlet here, and you've got 2 O-rings, 1 lanyard. Now let's go ahead and take a look here at the light. And there it is. Now this is being a single light output. It'll sustain that 500 lumens. Of course, as the battery drains, the light output will diminish. Now my understanding, it does come with a battery, and we'll take a look at that in a second here. Single tail clicky on and off. The clip here, you can remove it, and it is pretty sturdy. Gray bezel on here. Style and design on this is nice. I'm not seeing any issues. Definitely great for EDC, compact enough, especially for tactical if you want to use it for that as well. Now the machining and finish on this is nice. Got some indentations here in the body. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look here at the smooth reflector. Now this is running the Cree XP-G3 LED. Alright, so now let's go ahead and open this up and I'll show you the insides, including the battery. Tail spring. Well greased threads. And here's the battery. There is a little piece that you want to remove from that as well. The battery that it comes with here is a 2600 milliamp. This is a 10 amp cell. My understanding, it is a protected cell. As you can see, the charging port there. Now I wasn't provided a USB charging cable, but it does take a micro. It adds a lot of value to this light. And Can't take that off. Now there is a spring down inside of this light. See there? So now we're going to go ahead and put this back together, and let's go through the UI. And I kind of push down past the O-ring there. It's just a single light output on it, so let's check it out. 500 lumens, no step down. Quite a bit of light actually. Combination beam, I like it. One of my favorites. Centralized hotspot here. A lot of bleeding around the edge. And the spill is a cutoff, straight cutoff. You can pressure switch that as well for tactical users. And that's all there is to this light. Now if you use a higher milliamp battery, you're going to get a lot more runtime on this. Make sure you use a button top or a flat top. 3600 milliamp really give this thing some really good run times. Feels good. Alright, well let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Speras E1 single light output. So let's get started. 35 feet from where I'm standing to that water spout. 65 feet to this tree. It is on the fence. Fence line, tree line. And you can see across the park to the playgrounds. So it's got some pretty good range for 500 lumens. Even those trees in the distance. Nice. Tree behind the Tree of Life, 238 feet. Here's the famous Tree of Life here, 238 feet. Usually making the school. Do a before and after here. No step down on this light. That's really nice. Great for EDC. And yes, I got soaked earlier. Lights right in the middle of doing a light testing, and luckily I didn't get shot on my leg, but waited for them to finish it over here, and they finally did. Do a beam profile here. Alright, hope you enjoyed those night shots. Welcome back, hope you enjoyed those night shots. Impressive performance, especially for 500 lumens. Actually did pretty well. It's got some nice throwing range, so if it's something you're needing that has a good combination beam, kind of leans a little more towards the thrower side in my opinion, but in any case, if you're needing an everyday carry that has that pressure action for tactical users or just regular on and off, talk about simple and easy to use. You know, very nice quality overall, not seeing any issues. This is my very first testing and reviewing of their product, and I have to say that it is very nice. Now I want to thank Speras for sending me this to review. Now if this is something you're interested in getting, Remember, it's a complete kit, really super easy to use. I'll leave a link down in the description. I also worked on a special discount code. I'll leave that down there as well. That way you can save some money on this light, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these flashlights from Speras to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.